Is your baby getting hiccups? Wait. I'm Dr. Anuja. I'm a pediatrician and I'll be telling you why your baby is getting hiccup and what you should do about it. Well, babies get hiccups. It's very normal. They sleep right through it. You don't have to bother them. It is just their normal behavior. And once you pat them, you burp them, the hiccup will go away. Thank you. Follow, share and subscribe for more such videos.